Peace and love, good people. Peace and love. So here we are at the open. Another Tesla trade, 227, 2025. It's 9:30, and we got a red candle forming at the 48 EMA. Pay close attention to this chart right here. We've been getting really good at identifying this break and retest. So at the open, we're already on the retest. And I saw this, but I didn't have the confidence to jump in. Oh, hindsight is 2020. This was an easy couple $100 off the break. So the rule would say that once this candle closes above the red candle to the left, if we are moving up, then we want to dive into that bar. That's a takeout bar moving from the 20, and the wick is actually coming from the 20 EMA. So that green moving average is the 20 EMA. The yellow EMA is the 48. Okay, so we've already broken through that 48 EMA at 290.68 at the end of the previous day. We retested the EMA, and now we are breaking through the ceiling. This would have been a great time to enter right at 292, but I started to second guess myself, like, wait a minute, is this going to be a reversal? Is this a false breakout? But it's the retest, so this was a much more likely trade, and we could have set our profit target at the 200 period moving average, or even at 298.25. But that's not what we did. We watched the plane take off. Go look at that video I got on market structure, where we talked about catching the plane, boarding the plane, when all of these candles are lined up just the way they are right here in this screen. So now we're looking at this second candle forming. It's pulling back, probably going to pull back to this 292.68, and then we're going to continue to the upside. So we got to watch that wick. But man, look at those moving averages. Look at those moving averages all together, like railroad tracks. Look at this looking like it's getting pulled towards 295.95. It's getting pulled toward the resistance level. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Even if we would have waited till this candle to get in, this still would have been a great scalp as we started the day with the retest. The first 2 minutes of the day. Man, talk about missing the bus. But it's okay. It's okay. The market is open all day, and we got time. We actually make a good trade here. But more importantly, we are learning to not second guess ourselves. We know what it looks like, but you got to execute. So now I'm looking like, okay, are we about to bounce off of this resistance level? Is this, we're going to check here and then come back down to 292.68? Are we going to break through and head to 298.25? I don't know. But I'm looking at this wick forming. And again, we on this 2-minute time frame. So a lot of things is happening really quickly. We're bouncing off of this moving average here. Yeah, we got this reversal happening. It looks like it's pulling back. I'm searching for a put. Switch to the 5-minute time frame just to see what we got going on. Okay, now it looks like we're getting a good wick on the way back down. We look like we're very far from the moving average on a 5-minute time frame. Okay, it's looking like a reversal on the agenda. It's on the menu, but we got to see what happens at 298.25. Oh yeah, Oh yeah, pulling back, pulling back, pulling back. Another green candle. Another green candle forming. So that pullback is like red candles, and then this one here is a retest. See, on the 2-minute time frame, you can see the red candle, but on the 5-minute, it was simply a wick. So now we looking like, okay, are we gonna break through this 200 period moving average, or is that the ceiling? Are we gonna break through this, or is that the ceiling? Are we playing between 290, 268 and 295.91? No, we are not. Because look, we just broke through. Man, why am I not in on this trade? This is despicable. You think long, you think wrong. Analysis paralysis. Analysis paralysis. You think long, you think wrong. But it's okay. It's okay, because this what goes up must come down. And it's a red market, so I was a little apprehensive about these green candles because I know that it's a red market. It's a red river. Somebody got cut bad. Now, when we break through, when we take out the bottom of this candle here, then when we take out the bottom of this green candle, that's a sign that we are going to continue a bearish move to the bottom. But I want to make sure that this candle closes below this red candle that's forming. I want to make sure that it closes below the bottom of the green candle. I don't want to jump in when it flashes past it, because it might pull back and be a wick going to the green, going up still. We still might be going to 298.25. You know, you can't trust this thing. But on the 2-minute time frame, you know, this 90 sec, we almost up. We got 45 seconds left for this candle to form. But okay, now hold on, it's flashing past, and with this much time left, what we got? At about 90 seconds, we can lock in. So that was almost 90 seconds. All right, so boom, here we go. Look at this. I found the options chart. Close by stop loss and take profit. We're just going to accept this right here. Now we're going to go up here and select positions. We're going to click on the options symbol, and voila, we got an options chart with our stop loss and take profit that we can slide up and down. Okay, now the only difference is no matter whether you're doing calls or puts, the green, the candles moving up is a reflection of your gains. So when you switch to this options chart in Webull, it's a bit inverted. However, you get the opportunity to slide your stop loss and take profit up directly on the chart while trading options. So if you're doing shares, you probably can do that from the main chart. But if you select positions and click on the option symbol, then you're able to do like this. Look, move this stop loss up and down. Now I'm up 22, but you gotta be, I know how Tesla likes to wick you out. So I don't want to move my stop loss up too soon. I don't want to move it up too soon. We're on a 2-minute time frame as well. All right, so I need to make sure that we're moving up. All right, so again, we're risking 30. We got a $30 stop loss. That's ideally we would have a $30 stop loss. See, this right here is dangerous. Having the option to slide your stop loss down, that's dangerous in the middle of the play. So right now I'm down 27 away. I'm trying to find where to place the stop loss. I got in at 399. So 369 would be right there. Look, that's the stop loss. That's where I wanted at. I'm adjusting it slightly. Okay, the wick didn't get to 30. The wick didn't wick us out at 30. Look, I'm considering that halfway mark, but look at me, I done moved it down some more. Just because I have that ability to slide it up and down. This is dangerous. This is me challenging my rules. Look at that. Would that have wicked me out? I'm not sure. So now I'm holding it down about $40, $43 down. But look, now luckily this candle has been a green candle. All right, so I got a $30 stop loss, which means that my take profit should be at about 60. I believe I got my take profit at about 80. As you can see it at the top right here, it says my target is at 4.80, which is the top of that middle candle, which is, I don't know that that's I guess, you know, if you're thinking about risk to reward ratio, that might be okay. But if I'm looking at the moving averages as resistance, I think that we might be looking at, what is this 20 period moving average. If we can break through the 8 and the 13, we can touch that 20, that 200. But I have my take profit set at 480, and I'm so concerned with this stop loss that I'm not even considering moving my take profit at all. So this is dangerous. I don't know. Put in the comment section below if you prefer to slide your stop loss up on the chart, or if you would prefer the stop limit order in Robinhood. So to each his own, you know, as long as you're efficient with the program. So look at that. Boom. And then my target, did my target get hit? Okay, not quite yet. 42, I'm up 42. I'm up 48. So yeah, I raised my stop loss up. Boom, and I got stopped out. Up 80, 85, it hit my target and stopped me out. So there you go. That's the Webull platform. Peace and love, and I hope you get rich.